Hi everyone, this is K. Ramnachari, lecturer in zoology. Today topic is invertebrates larval forms. Invertebrates larval form. First of all, invertebrates. Invertebrates means that absent of spinal cord. Different type of invertebrates: Protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. Different type of animals, different characteristic and different type of invertebrates are there. For example, Protozoa, all single cell animal; Porifera, all sponges; Coelenterata, all nidoblasts; Platyhelminthes, all flatworms; Nematoda, all thread shape of animal; Annelida, all ring shape of animal; Arthropoda, the largest phylum invertebrate; Mollusca, smooth animals; Echinodermata, a spine is skinny. And this is a different type of animal. But now today these are totally, for example, insects, spiders, snails, clams, earthworms. These are adult stage. But there are some group of animal. For example, Porifera, larval stages are present. That larval name is Amphiblastula parenchyma. Amphiblastula. Next to Porifera. This is the Porifera. Porifera larval forms. Porifera larval forms. Actually, today Porifera larval two larval stages are present. Number one is Amphiblastula. Second one is Parenchyma. Totally two type of larval stages are. This one is Amphiblastula. This one is Parenchyma. Actually, Porifera main important to pore and bearing. Porifera another name is called sponges. The study of sponges is called that to parazoology. Sponges main important to two derms, ectoderms, endoderm. Ectoderm, pinacoderm, endoderms, choanocytes, and canal system well developed. Porifera main classified three parts, mostly living in marine water, Calcarea, exactly Demospongia. But these are totally important features in adult stage. But Porifera larvals are two stage. This is the found in Cycon, Amphiblastula found in Cycon, Parenchyma found in Leucosolenia, smallest sponge. These are first some characters of Porifera larva. They are living in marine water, and after that very microscopic structure and different issues are there. And after that, Porifera larva detailed study Amphiblastula. This is the Amphiblastula larva. The larva which formed during the embryonic development in some sponges is called an Amphiblastula larva. This one is Amphiblastula larva, main important during embryonic development. Any group of animal actually sexual reproduction to asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Sperm egg conceive after to formed embryonic development commonly. And after that, Amphiblastula larva is a free swimming larva having flagellated cells in the front of the larva and non-flagellated cells in the other half of the larva. Thus, the number of flagellated cells becomes equal to the number of non-flagellated cells of the larva. Actually, our locomotor organs legs, but this one larval's locomotor organs flagella, cilia, paramecium, flagella, pseudopodia. These are locomotor organs also well developed in larval stage. Why it is used only freely swimming in the water? Next one, Amphiblastula larva completed. Now, second one, Porifera larva, Parenchyma, found in Demospongia. Actually, Porifera, Calcarea, exactly Demospongia. This one another class. And found in Demospongia, solid covered with monoflagellate cells, incubated until late in developed. Repeated cleavage of the zygote to take place in the mesenchyme and form a parenchyma larva. Main important, this is the cleavage. Cleavage means sperm zygote after embryological situation is called that. This is the parenchyma, and after that very freely swimming on the water. And after that, this is the Coelenterata larva. This one is commonly Coelenterata, Porifera larva is completed, my dear aspirants. Porifera larvas mainly two types. One larva name is Amphiblastula, second larva name is Parenchyma. And next one is Coelenterata larva. Coelenterata means that Coelenterata main important. The term Coelenterata was coined by Leucart. Coelenterata another name is called Nidaria. Why called Cnidaria? Cnidoblast cells are well developed. Polypin medusa well development, polymorphism, peral formation, hydrozoa, scyphozoa, anthozoa, physalia example. Different issues are there, but the larval stages, this is the model ephemeral larva. Ephemeral larva model structure, very important. Gastric filaments, freely swimming larva, ephemeral larva, Magial lobo and Rophilium and laplets, and after that Manubrium. This is the important larva structure. You draw this diagram. Ephyra, cylindrical larva, Ephyra. Next, Ephyra, tiny baby jellyfish, but not fishes. Like fish-like structure, only Ephyra. Asexual reproduction is well developed and becomes the adult form of the jellyfishes. This is the Ephyra larva. Next one, planula larva. You draw this diagram, very important. Ephemeral larva diagram important. Planula. Planula larva found in Coelenterata. And after that, this is the this one is the main important to diastophore. And after that, diploblastic diplophore. Main important ectoderm, endoderm. Diastophore. This one is planula larva. Outer layer, some organs are prepared, inner layer. Totally, mesoderm is absent. Mesoderm well developed in triploblastic animal. This is the planula larva. Teeny oval structure. Oval is a round shaped structure. And after that, outer layer is lined with minute hairs called cilia. Actually, cilia also locomotive organ. The movement from one place to another place, displacement. Cilia profile the planula through the water short lived stage. This is the planula. Okay everyone, now completed cylindrical larvas also. Amphiblastula, parenchyma, porifera phylum larvas, cylindrical larvas, ephemeral larva and ephemeral larva, and after that ephemeral larva, and after that different larvas also completed. Cylindrical larva. Now this to now trochophore larva. Trochophore larva means trocho means trochus means wheel, phorus means bear. This is the ciliary cilia of ciliary girdles and rings of bonds when bearing give the appendage of the rotating wheel. Wheel-like structure. This is the trochophore larva. Trochophore larva both are present, Annelida larva and as well as mollusca larva. Very important. The stage trochophore larva is present in many protostomes. Protostomes means proto means first stomes mean appearance, mouth structure. Ditostomes, mouth and anus, two structures are there. And after that, it is minute, ciliated, unsegmented. It is minute, ciliated, unsegmented, pear-shaped and lid-genic, which oval and oblong surfaces. It exhibited two stages in life. The main important early pre-segmental and after that trochophore. And this is a segmented trochophoric larva. This is the important chart, trochophore larva. This one is also same characteristic features of fully formed trochophore larva. Okay everyone, this is the note down these points. Sensory apical organs, sensory organs are well developed, and after that brain beneath the, and after that this is the organ, apical organs, and after that different issues are there. This one is important features trochophore. This is a pear-shaped structure. In the additional points, measurement about 0.5 mm in length, and after that cilia of preoral cilia. Cilia are main important locomotory part. Prototroch and this main important well divided into body into two main important parts. And after that, this is the important points. Next, continue the diagram. This is a very important diagram. Trochophore larva. This is the apical tuft and eye spot, sensory part, intestine, mouth structure, anal vesicle, anus. This is a digestive endopod anus, and nerve structure, and stomach, and protoplant, food group, and this one is you draw this diagram, students, very important. Once again draw this diagram. Trochophore larva, very important. Next, types of larvas. Mollusca. Next to mollusca larvas. Mollusca means smooth animals. Mollusca body covered shell. Shell made up of calcium carbonate. Mollusca group of animal body covered radula. Radula cutting of food material. And main mollusca group of pearl formation is well development. And types of larva. 3 types of larva stages are formed mollusca. 3 larvas. Number 1 is trochophore. Very important. Trochophore present in Annelida as well as mollusca. And Veliger and Glochidium. How many larvae are present in mollusca? 3 larvae. Trochophore, Veliger, Glochidium. This is the Trochophore, Veliger, Glochidium. And already same completed Trochophore larva before completed Trochophore larva as it is in mollusca. I have write down you very easily. And Glochidium larva. Glochidium larva enclosed by 2 valves, each edge of which bear a hook, and shell valves cover a larval mantle and bear 4 groups of sensory crystals. And main important rudimentary foot is present attached to a long adhesive thread called a byssal thread, and neither mouth nor anus, and measure from 0.1 mm to 0.55. Okay everyone, this is a very easily, it is a microscopic structure, very low measurement, and after that digestive system well development, and after that main important now sensory parts also well developed, and different issues are there attached very easily, and radula is well developed. This is the Glochidium larva. Once again, just 20 seconds you write down this diagram. And portional thread-like structure. This one is biceps thread-like structure, sensor bristles, teeth, and main important muscles, different type of adductor muscles, and shell valves and mantle. This is a pearl formation part also. Pearl formation well developed in mollusca. And last one, Veliger larva. Veliger larva, pre-oral ciliated area, and Veliger main important to produce both sides as a fluff-like structure, bilobed fluff structure, very delicate structure. Anterior and of the larva provided with eyes and tentacles. Tentacles main important attached that part. Larva has a shell, and velum is developed from the prostomium prototrach of the trochophore-like structure. This is the Veliger larva. And mollusca larvas mainly 3 parts also present. Number 1 is trochophore, second one is Glochidium, third one is Veliger. Aphoriferal larvas 2, Amphiblastula and Parenchyma. And after that Cylindrata larvas, Ephyra larva, Cylindrata very important, Ephyra larva and Planula larva. And after that next coming video, Helminthes larvas, Miracidium, Sporosis, Turidia, Cercaria, Metacercaria, and Nemathelminthes, Rhabdati larva and Microfilaria, as well as one video is separated by Echinodermata larvas, Diflurula, Doliolaria, Auricularia, Ophioridea, and after that Ophiofluteus, Echinofluteus. Now coming video, next continue Helminthes larvas and Echinodermata larvas. Okay everyone, today larval stages, Porifera, Amphiblastula parenchyma, Cylindrata, Planula ephyra, and next one Annelida, Trochophore, Mollusca, Glochidium, Trochophore, Veliger. Today class. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe my channel, KS Ramnachari Ideas. Thank you.